A quick video on this little spring pistol that I've had. I've been posting pictures on Facebook of. I want to give Afro Sniper a quick shout out. Keep the videos coming, man. Now, it's not a real powerful gun. It doesn't have a safety, so you got to watch what you're doing with your trigger finger. About 20 feet or so, the pellets kind of bounce off the target, so it's not real powerful, but we're going to try and get a little bit more out of it. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Okay, guys. Alright, I'm back in the vehicle again, because it's warmer. So as you can see in the video, the barrel looks a little crooked. I got a lot of work to do. It's a rifled barrel. I don't know if it's solid or if it's just a sheet metal barrel or wrapped around it or what. I'm going to have to take it apart, which is probably a solid barrel since it's a brick barrel. I'm going to take it apart, see what I can do with it, try and get a little bit more oomph out of it. If not, oh well. It's a fun little piece, Who wouldn't like something like that, unless you just don't like air guns, So, alright, thanks for watching. I'm going to work on this gun, and I might even share some videos with it broke down, and maybe y'all can help me out with some ideas. Alright, thanks.